Hey guys, welcome to a very interesting video. Today we're going to talk about 3 AI websites that are free to use and don't require a supercomputer to accomplish the AI tasks that we are talking about here. First one is going to be Crayon, Crayon. I will leave links on the description for all 3 sites. The second one is going to be Image-to-Demo, or what do you call image-to-image demo, that does draw cats, facades, shoes, and handbags. So far, maybe they're under development. And the third one is going to be Talk to Books. This one, you input a phrase or words or whatever you want to find, and the AI will go through millions of books and find those phrases and words in book covers or book contents. And let's continue with the Crayon, which is the first one that used to be formerly DALL-E Mini. You know, from the big DALL-E that we all know, but I don't have that RTX card yet. But when I get rich, I'll let you know how DALL-E looks. But this one for now is free to use, and it doesn't require to have any mega computer. Let's test something really random, really that makes 0 sense right here. Let's put, I don't know. Let's happy world with water. Very lame. Very lame. If you're thinking it's lame, well, give it a like and subscribe that we both think the same of this one. Anyway, let's wait for it up to 2 minutes and we'll get back right on the dot. Okay, looks like the AI cooked up something, which some of them look creepy, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, what? What is that? They tried to make some happy child, a planet with water and trees, and this one isn't that bad, but this one's kind of okay with the water, so it understood what I said on the sentence. You can take screenshots of them, you can click and save them if you need to. This one's pretty cool, actually. I don't know why the Irish flag is there, but anyway, it looks to me what it is. And so far, for a free site that doesn't require a super graphics card, I think it's very beautiful. And this one, for example, if it was a higher definition, I'd print it and put in the wall. I would love this one. I don't know why I like it, but it looks cool. And yes, that's Crayon for you. Go ahead, test it out yourself, and stretch your imagination over it and see what you come out with. And if you want to share it in your social medias and share it with me and all of us here, please link your social media on the comments and let's all watch them together, what results you got on them. And the second one is going to be image-to-image demo, which the first one paints cats. I am not going to even try with this one because I don't know how to paint a cat, so I'm just going to go in a tangent. Just make some weird lines right here, right here, right here. Now let's see what the AI can cook up for us here. It looks almost like a sleeping kitty, if I'm not making this wrong, like a tiny kitty right there, and that's what this first one does. The second one is facades, that builds kind of a house facade, I think, if I'm not wrong, and let's put a wall right here. And top one, I think this is a wall itself. Let's build a nice door here. Let's, what else do I want to, let me put a window here, and a window here. This is really bad, but let's put a tiny balcony here because we ran out of money while building this house, in case you didn't know. And let me put 2 big columns here, which some of you might be saying, well, instead of spending all that money in those giant columns, why didn't you make a bigger balcony? But right here we are doing it just to demonstrate that this AI works, and it built quite a nice looking house, actually, if you can make out what it is. I see 2 windows, I see the tiny balcony, the door, I see the 2 columns, and something else that I have no idea what it is except for camo. And the third option is to design shoes. If you're good at designing that stuff, let me try to design a shoe here. Boom, boom, boom. It's gonna be the worst shoe you've ever seen in your life, but it is my shoe, and I have no idea what I'm doing with it. Let me put some kind of stuff under here. Let me put a steel toe, like straight out of the 90s somehow. Let me put this one here. Let me put the hook for the laces here. And put the back heel here. And let's see what the AI tells us about it. It says downloading model. Well, good luck downloading the model that I just made because it doesn't make sense to me. Imagine making sense to the AI. But I guess AI, that's why it's AI, because it's a little bit smarter than me when it comes to that. The AI might understand what I'm trying to do, but I highly doubt this one. And it made some kind of shoe. I don't know what those artifacts are. Like the shoe kicked a wall or something and the wall was red. Actually, I can't say it didn't come out bad. It didn't come out good. Okay, so it didn't come out that bad. And the other one is the handbags. Let me just add some, let me see, Omni Tech here. Let's put our logo. We're totally not hijacking this bag at all. Let me add some just weird stuff around it. I'm not gonna go do the whole thing, and let's see what the AI adds if we add just a few things from the provided sample picture we have. Let's render the model and see what it does. What it transfers to the other side of the handbag, which looks like a leather handbag. And some of you out there might know more than me on these handbags, but okay, terrible, very horrible. But I'm not gonna go further with it because that's all I know about handbags. I know nothing else. Okay, now let's see say something to the books. What if I just type YouTube? Would it be on a book? YouTube. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. Example, if you're selling a product, you want someone to find your video on YouTube and watch it, learn about your product, and either click on the link within the video window itself on your YouTube channel page, which leads to your online store that a viewer can immediately purchase the product online. That is actually very interesting, huh? Very interesting. Let me put YouTube videos. Oh, look at that. Other books. What if I put tech stuff? Just tech stuff. America, you're in the Middle East and Africa. Tech data sells more than 80,000 products around the world's lead peripheral system, and the rest you can read yourself. But this is very interesting that you just put words that you might want to find from books, and this AI will find you a book corresponding to that word. Wow. Let me put world. Just world. And it found just one, which is very interesting that there's only one book with a world, and it doesn't make sense to me, but that's how it works sometimes with the AI. Planet risk retrieval variable transfer. I'm not gonna go on this. Cyanobacteria, elementary science, universe, language, a planet. That is very interesting. And with that said, these were the 3 sites that I had for you today, guys. These are 3 free sites that will be on the description of this video, and please go ahead and have some fun, stretch your imagination with them. And with that said, please subscribe to this channel. It helps tremendously, and we'll see you next time. Bye.